glueless and secure. I love that for me. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon.
Beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, rams,
Today's video is brought to you by WowAfrican. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay as well as Black Friday. And let's just say, I got my water, okay? I had a little too much fun yesterday and Kim was about to lock me up. So yeah, I gotta chill. Now, would you believe me if I told you this was a headband wig? You shouldn't, because it's lace. This is not my hairline, child. This is a wig. Thank you. So if you want to see how I got this wig from A to Slay, make sure you keep on watching. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from WowAfrican. All the specs of my unit as well as products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. It is Black Friday and WowAfrican has come with the looks and the deals. You hear me? Okay, so we are going to get this wig together so that y'all can go ahead and run to that cart. You might got to call that man, but not for much. This is their natural curly HD 9x6 pre-everything unit, and I got mine in 16 inches and 180% density. I wanted a very simple, effortless type of look, and y'all see how these curls look after the wash. I sat her outside and she air dried like this. No fluffing, okay? Just air. Tell me, how can you breathe with no air? This is gonna be a real easy install, I can tell already. I'm using my Black Radiance contour palette in the medium to dark shade, and I'm using a mixture of the contour and sculpt to tint my lace. I wanna try to wear this unit glueless, but if I can, it's fine. Okay, I can do a little tacking in the middle and we'll still be good to go. This unit does come with a removable comb, so I'm gonna take the ones on the side out because y'all know I don't use those. And it also has the drawstring in the back so I can tighten this wig down. I hope it fits, okay? If it doesn't fit, I must have quit. Y'all see how the hairline is looking? Not too shabby. Now, wait a minute, why my lighting looks weird? The sun is shifting and causing my lighting to change. Brush that hairline back. Hold up, it caught under here. Did they send me a band? They did send me some goodies. Is there a band in here? There's a silk one. I need the Velcro. Okay, give me the elastic band that I can wrap my wig down with while African. The sun it keeps shifting. Ain't no light gonna stop my Black Friday celebration, okay? Because this wig is gonna look great. So I'm using my Nairobi mousse around the hairline. I can't see what I'm doing. My glasses are off. Why am I trying to do this in the dark? Girl, you know better than that. I'm gonna swirl up my edges over here. Get these moved forward. Same thing right here. Get this to move forward and kind of swoop them so I can make sure they're molded how I want them to be. I like having the lower edges on the side. I feel like it just looks really good for my forehead shape. I got a lot of forehead real estate, so you know, I can do that. Just tighten this down like that. Let's wrap it down now. I'm gonna fluff up these curls. I need little layers in the front here. Right here, this little, I'm just gonna grab this right here. Yeah, I know I don't do a whole bunch of extra stuff, so I'm just gonna hope for the best. And I'm gonna take this and then even it up with that and match it up to that. So I'm just going to angle. I could do some right here in the middle, bring that up, bring it down to the front, and cut about that much off. Looks pretty good to me. All right, let's take my mousse. I'm gonna mold this down up here first. Y'all saw how it looked after the air dry, so, you know, do what you want with that information. Surprisingly, y'all, this hair was very easy to work with when I did the wash. Like, as soon as the water hit it, it was like, thank you. See how I'm brushing through the hair right now? That's how I was brushing through it during the wash. No snags, no tangles. It was a great experience for both of us. The sun just wants to follow me everywhere. I mean, I know, but dang. I just don't want it to be a glare for y'all on the camera. This curl is really pretty. Make sure I get at my root. Make sure the hair is to the back correctly. I don't want to dry it down the wrong way. This is how the curls are looking. Look really good. I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse my hair thoroughly, and then we'll come back, fluff it, and be done. Because this sun is just like, girl. Dun da da. I put some tape over the little openings by the blinds. So hopefully that will work until we are done. It's Black Friday, Ken. Go ahead and get me some shades, okay? I'm gonna take my pick, fluff it from the root. It's still a little damp, but that's okay. I wanna pick it and then use my blow dryer to finish up. Come out here, come out. All right, come under and out, under and out. There we go, come on, get up there. Tease it back if you need to, like that. It gives it more shape. This will create tangles in your hair though, but when it comes to this hair, it may not matter, because like I said, it likes water. Take off the band first. See what the hairline is looking like. Looks great, as I thought it would. If I want to put a headband on, this would look absolutely stunning. Y'all see that? Take my bobby pin and I'll push this back right here. So I kind of want it to sit just like that, and tease it up a bit so it's not so perfect, you know. This part takes the longest if you want to get your wig like mine, okay? I want my hairline to show. I didn't think I did, but now I do. I'm gonna use my extra hold hairspray and just keep this hair in place. Spray, scrunch. Spray, scrunch. Spray, scrunch. And I think we are done. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look for this one. Do y'all see this wig? Do you see how we got her together? If you didn't know, this is your sign to define your curls. Define them every single time. Out the pack, I was a little worried because I was like, man, is that the curl? And then after I washed her, I was like, oh, that's the curl. Yeah, looks real good, real good. Wait a minute, what's going on right there? That's a little stringy. Gonna go ahead and cut that off. I don't want that everyday wig for sure. And I can pop her on and off because she is glueless. Look, glueless and secure thanks to that drawstring in the back. I love this for me. I love that for me. And I think you will love that discount. Just saying. I feel a little shiny. Hold up. All that sunshine got your girl beaming. You hear me? There we go. The lace is melted. You hear me? I didn't use no extra product on that lace. Keep on fluffing to get your desired, you know, shape and everything. If you want to cut some more hair, definitely do that. Let me take out the bobby pins and let me put on a headband just to see how she gonna look with my brown one. Y'all know I love this brown headband. It just does something to me. I'm gonna keep it glueless. Let me be careful. Ooh. There we go. Let me hold that so it doesn't pull too much. Got my edges down. Bring out the hair like that. Y'all see this? That looks so good. Y'all see that? It looks like that's my hairline and this is a headband wig. That's what it looks like. That is lace. If you don't got no edges, try this one out. Look, Brittany, twins. It is Black Friday. Get the deals. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to WowAfrican for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.